Okay, we're gonna do his jaw now. We're gonna make his jaw open. So while I was away, I made these custom shapes. I think I forgot to do that at the end of the last video. So we're gonna add the jaw controls onto the neck. At least that's where I'm gonna put it. So the way to do that is you select the neck and you go to Add User Channel. And yours will be blank, but since I've already done this, to refresh my memory, you would type in jaw. Float and Scholar is correct. You want a minimum value of 0, a maximum value of 1, and a default value of 0 as well, and then hit OK. Now if you go over to the channels for this locator, you'll see at the very bottom we now have a channel called jaw. So how do we make this channel control the actual jaw? Well, we do that using channel length. So we're going to do that. We're going to open up channel links. Oh, I guess it was already open. This, we're going to select the neck controller, and that is going to be the driver, because when you adjust the value of jaw, you are going to drive the jaw. So this is the driver, this is going to be the driven. So now we got jaw, driven. We're going to go down to the jaw channel on our neck control, jaw channel, and we're going to go to rotation X, I believe it is. The way to tell is if you select the jaw and actually rotate it, and you look over here. Stop it! The cat is licking the computer. Sorry. Where are we at? What am I doing here? Cat totally threw me off. Alright, yes. 17 degrees in X is what just happened when I rotated that. So we'll undo that. So we want rotation X over here. So back to jaw. Rotation X. We're going to make that a relationship and add link. So now we're going to move that. We're going to come back over here, and that brings up our channel link thingamajig, set driven key, relationship editor thing. So the way to do this now is we're going to set a key first off right there. At 0, jaw, rotation is 0 in X. Then we're going to set this to 1, and we're going to rotate. You can rotate, you see how the jaw is moving. You can just drag on here in this section, and that will start rotating it in X. So when we get to a point we like say we want his mouth only to open that far, it's kind of far actually. Let's do it that far. 20 degrees. We hit key again, and now we have 2 keys. So you can skip, that's key 1, that's key 2. And now if you drag the jaw, you will see that his mouth opens and closes. And we may want to adjust the graph because I'm not a huge fan of the easing in. So let's see if you right click that, I think it is. Yeah, and do linear, close that up, and now there won't be a lag and easing at the top and bottom of the jaw opening. So let's get out of that. And now we go here to channels. We'll go down to the jaw and we see it's at 0.4. We'll set it back to 0. What? Stop that. Okay. We'll go back down to the jaw. Set it to 0. And now his jaw is closed. So let's do one step farther, as Brad Peeler likes to say. We'll go to assembly. We'll go to command. And we'll type in item.channel call. Hit quit. Why does that keep popping up? Oh, it's because I think I have it selected somewhere in here. Let's, go with that. So now, if we do that, you will see, let me close this up. There's your jaw channel, and as you drag in there, his jaw opens and closes. So you can key his mouth opening and closing. Pretty badical.